Hello, everyone. Brad again. Sorry it's been so long since I posted anything. It's a little bit about our vacation to Gettysburg this year. We stayed at the historic Baladerry Inn. Um, it is a haunted inn, of course, and it was once used as a military hospital for the Confederacy. It was built in 1812. Um, and the house is absolutely gorgeous, beautiful house. Nice place to stay, beautiful bed and breakfast. The hosts were great and everything. Um, just showing you some pictures of the inside of the building now. We did stay in the main house, the 1812 part. There was part that was built on after the war. Is this back part here that we're in now. Beautiful stained glass window there. Um, and we're going to get into a little drone footage, and I will add some music over his part, and then I'll talk to you again at the end. Okay, as the music starts to fade out here, we're gonna go into the city of Gettysburg with some photographs. We couldn't actually fly the drone on the national battlefield or in Gettysburg. It's a prohibitive space. We're not allowed to fly there, so all the drone footage is out here at the Baladerry Inn. But as we go into Gettysburg, we'll show you some of the stuff there. We're going to start out on Cemetery Hill. That's where the battle started, and here's a view from a cannon up on top of Cemetery Hill, looking down upon where they had been fired upon the Confederacy down below them there. This is also Cemetery Hill. The 14th Indiana, they fought on Cemetery Hill, and we're from Indiana, so we had to take a picture of that. There I am, manning a cannon. Would have liked to have actually fired one of those. This is from one of the Pennsylvania units. That's General. I don't remember which general it was now. I forgot to write it down. We go into town. This is the Farnsworth House, and all those little red arrows there you see are actual bullet holes from the Civil War. That's the North Carolina monument. North Carolina sustained a lot of losses at Gettysburg. Okay, this is up on top of Little Round Top. This is where things got serious for the Civil War in the second day. The Union was actually 5 minutes and 40 yards away from losing the battle. This is some of Matthew Brady's photography that was brought to life in the museum. Of course, we went to Lincoln's site of the Gettysburg Address. It was amazing. You could actually feel the history and feel some of the heaviness in the air from all the lives that were lost there. But Gettysburg is a fantastic place to visit. Check it out sometime. You won't be sorry. Thanks for watching.